BabyBus.
Click here to subscribe.
Did you hear that crunching sound? I heard that someone disappears every time there's a crunch.
Really? I didn't know about that. A crunchy monster. I'm not afraid of it. A crunchy monster! Ouch! That sounds so scary.
Shh, quiet. The crunchy monster will hear you.
He's coming! Don't eat me! Don't eat me!
Why are you here? Bao? What are you doing here?
It was you. You scared me.
I'm sorry. Did you see Hamber? Hamber? No. Why are you looking for him?
Huh?
We were building a castle.
To the left. No. To the right. Hold on, please.
What's wrong?
I think we need something more.
What do we need? Aha! I know what it is.
Oh?
What's the sound? Amber, look what I brought here. Where is he? Aha! He must be hiding somewhere. Amber, where are you? Amber! Amber! Where are you? And I can't find him.
The crunchy monster must have taken him! Don't eat me! Don't eat me!
Oh no! The monster will eat him up!
Let me go! Let me go!
Then we'll never see him again!
What should we do? Amber is in danger!
Let's go save him!
Yeah, we need to go now!
But how can we save him? Aha! I have an idea! Let's find some weapons.
Weapons?
Ouch! I can't see anything! Where are you guys? Let's look around by the castle. Okay. Follow me! Be careful! Wait for me! Let's follow the crunching sound. We'll find Amber.
Okay.
should go that way.
Wait!
Let's go. Be careful. Watch out for the crunching monster.
I think the sound is coming from over there.
Wow!
It's so high.
How can we get inside?
Huh? Look, we can get inside with this ladder.
Great! Let's go have a look.
In the big box, big box, big box. In the big box, there's a big monster. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh, the big monster, big monster.
Where
crunch,
are they?
Crunch, crunch. Oh, the scary monster. The big monster, monster, monster. Don't be afraid of the scary monster. Do you hear the crunching sound? Don't be scared, don't be scared. It is not the scary monster, scary monster.
What are you doing here? Where's the crunching monster?
What monster? Fry and I were just eating potato chips here.
Hey, guys.
Have some chips.
So this is the crunching monster? The crunching sound was not from the monster. Wow, it's so yummy! I still have a lot. Let's eat.
Wow! Wow! Where are all these ants going? Mr. Dow's house!
You again!
Whoa! Whoa! What's that? Looks cool!
Huh. What do you know? It's a super duper...
What?
Well, it's nothing. I have a riddle. You will never guess the answer.
Huh? What is it? Let me try.
Something is a dog, but cannot bark or eat. What is it? You probably don't know. Go home and think about it.
Oh, I know! It's a hot dog!
Hot dog. Run!
Wow! A big hot dog! It looks tasty!
Ow! Hey, that hurts! Ow! Quickly, turn the food maker off!
Huh? So that's a food maker? It's amazing!
No, it's not! Turn it off!
Okay. Oh, I wanted to order a big jelly.
Jelly. Oh no! We're done. Stop trying. It's no use.
What do we do then?
We have to turn the power off.
I'll help. I'll eat it all.
That's gross. That's my turn.
I can move my hand.
Hurry up! Take the cheese off me. Cheese.
Hi! I'm going to record a message. Please send it to my friends. Thank you. Mr. Dow's food maker. I'm not finished yet. It's so hot.
Wow,
Fruit maker! I want donuts!
I want fruit candy!
I want sushi!
Ice cream!
Jellies!
Ice cream!
Jellies!
I want
Cookies!
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 I want
Please!
ice cream! Ice cream!
Hey, be careful! Huh?
This doesn't taste good. I want cotton candy!
No!
Kiki! Help me!
Meow meow!
Kiki!
I have to turn it off! Huh? Aha! Everyone is stuck in the food. What shall I do? Huh? Huh? An ant!
Kiki! Kiki!
Whiskers!
That tickled!
Kiki!
You're all out!
The ant saved us!
Great! Thank you, ants! Thank you! Huh? Huh? Where's Mr. Dow?
Yeah. Hey! Ha! Oh, that hurts! Hey, where am I? Oh! Ow! 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 Hot! 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 Help! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Help! Help! Someone help me! Help! Help! Help!
Huh? What's going on?
Help! I'm melting!
It's chocolate! He's in trouble! Let's help him! We have to put the flames out!
The flames? Look! We can use water to put the flames out.
Watch me! It didn't move at all.
What should we do? We're not strong enough.
I've got an idea. Come with me. Help me! I'm melting! Help!
Hold on! We're coming to help you!
Oh no! The water is coming out!
Let me help you.
Great job!
Oh no! We're coming!
It's fixed! Let's save chocolate! Okay!
I almost turned into chocolate sauce. Thank you. Who are you?
We're Candy!
Where are your colors?
Huh? What happened?
Everybody, run away!
Red! I'm yellow!
Blue!
Purple! Red! Yellow! Blue! Green! And purple!
So Kiki tried to put colorful clothes on us.
Thank you, Kiki!